Hi everyone, Krista Beakley here. I wanted to share with you some basics for getting started in CinchShare. So if you don't already have CinchShare, you will have to sign up. So what you're going to do is go to getcinchfree.com, and that's going to take you to CinchShare. And you would click begin your free trial, and then it will ask you for your information, and you can enter the code CinchFree at the end, and it will give you 37 days free to give it a try. And I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So this is the basic page of CinchShare. This is your dashboard, and I'm going to show you just the basics for getting started and how to schedule a post, how to schedule a picture, a video, and how to edit a post and how to copy a post. So the first thing that you need to do in CinchShare is add your networks. You need to be able to tell CinchShare where you're going to want this post to go. So anytime you are adding a new party or a new group, or you're just getting started, you want to go over here and click on My Networks. It's this little circle with the dashes inside there. And then you're going to refresh. So CinchShare doesn't automatically download your networks. You need to tell it to do that. So by clicking this refresh button, it'll take a second to go into your Facebook and refresh, and then you'll see everything is listed here. So by default, it shows you your groups, and at the bottom is your business page. Now your events, if you're doing your Facebook parties in events, you're going to find those under here. So you click this little tiny arrow beside your name, and the first thing you're going to see are your albums. So you can schedule pictures to go to albums within your personal timeline. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see your events here, and they're all listed here. So what you need to do is find the event that you are hosting and click the heart and make it dark blue like that. So by default, it's this teal color, and then you click it to make it that dark blue. And that's going to allow CinchShare to schedule a post to that event. Okay, so then we're going to come back here to schedule a post. And the first thing I'm going to show you is how I do my Facebook parties, and that is in Evernote. So I create an outline in Evernote, and this is how we'll share with you as well. So what I do is I find the picture that I want to schedule, and what you can do is just click it and drag it over here to this choose file box, and there you go, it's going to pop in, and then you can type your post in here. Now again, if you have them in here, you can copy and paste this. If this is somebody else's outline, then I don't recommend copying and pasting their wording. Just use it as inspiration to write your own. Then you'll go over here to the calendar, decide what day you want it to schedule, what time you want it to go at. You can create a category if you want to. This just helps you stay organized. And then you need to select where you want this to post to. So again, you would click on this little arrow and all of your events are going to show up here, and you can check off which event you want it to go to. Okay, so I'm just, for pretend purposes, going to schedule it there, but you would just select which party, and then you're going to select schedule post, and there you go. It pops up right here. So then that's going to schedule at that time. So again, just to show you one more time, I have my Evernote open here. I like this picture. I'm going to drag and drop it into there. Just hover over this choose file. So then it goes over here to this pending posts. So this by default shows all of the posts that you have scheduled. So if you have multiple parties, if you have posts scheduled to your VIP group or your business page, they're all going to be in here. Now you can have it show you by scheduled date, so you can see exactly what's coming up. And then if you go here to this drop down, it shows you where everything is scheduled. So if I want to see what I have coming up in Heather's party, here are all of the posts that are coming up in Heather's party, and so I can edit those or copy them. and it's really easy to play around in here. You can, on this little drop down arrow, select this and you could edit a post. So if I want to add some more words in here, if I want to change the picture, you can do that. If I really like this post and I want to use it for a different party, I can select copy and it'll create a whole new copy of this that I can then schedule into a different party. Or if I totally want to delete it, I can just delete the post there. Not going to do that right now. So another way, so Evernote is one way to get your images into CinchShare. You can, if you have files saved on your computer, you can click this Choose File button and it's going to pull up your computer folders and then you can select your picture there. Or another really cool thing that you can do is, let's say I had another party and I really liked this post, or I'm copying a former party. You can go into that party, you would click on the image to pull it up big, and then on your PC you're going to right click, and on a Mac I believe it's Control click. Then you are going to click this copy image address. It might say copy image URL, something similar to that. And then you go back here to CinchShare and you can Control V and paste it into here, and there's your picture. So that's another way. So if you're in a party and you want to reuse a picture, or if you're on somebody's business page and you really like a picture, you can do that. Okay. Now there is a really cool thing. Let's say I used this post at my last party and it got lots of interaction and I really liked it. I liked all my wording. If you are the admin of a group or you're a host of a party, then you have another option. You can have your picture, your post up here that you like, and then you go up here to the URL and you can copy this whole entire address. Go back to CinchShare and paste it here where it says paste a link. And then you're going to click this. It's the Facebook import option. And voila, it pulls up the picture and the entire wording. So again, this is similar to copying and pasting. So you want to change this up so Facebook doesn't think that you're spam. But this is a great way. If you really liked the wording or you really liked the engagement on a post, you can do that and then you can change it up a little bit. For example, here's my host's name. So if I'm doing Heather's party, I want this to say Heather. Okay, so again, I would choose the day and the time and click schedule, and it's going to schedule it there. It's going to pop it right into there for me. Okay, so now here's one that tends to be a little bit confusing, is YouTube or a video link. So I have a video here for my intro for my party, and what you're going to do is copy this. Now you can do that from Evernote, you can do that from a Facebook page or from a YouTube account, and you would just copy the share link, paste it in here to paste a link, and click this little link button, and that's going to import your video. Now, if I don't want this picture in here, it's really easy. I can grab a different picture and upload that picture, but the link stays here. So then you could create another image here, whatever you like. And then again, type your message and click schedule. Okay. So that's the basics of creating a post to schedule to your Facebook parties. You can, of course, schedule to your business page. You can schedule to your VIP group. You can schedule to your own personal timeline if you want to. So there's lots of options there, but that's the basics. I'm going to have another video up shortly to show you how to copy posts from one party to another.